In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your project to a GIF or video using the Export to GIF/video plugin. We'll move through the process together, starting right from the main workspace. First, look for the Actions icon. It's typically located near the top of your screen or along a toolbar, and it opens up options related to managing or extending what your project can do. Go ahead and click the Actions icon to reveal the available tools. From the menu that appears, choose Plugins and Widgets. This is where you'll find add-ons that extend the app's features. It's a searchable library, which makes the next part quick and easy. In the search field, type Export to GIF/video. Don't worry about capitalization. The important thing is to use the exact phrase so you get the right result. When you see the Export to GIF/video option in the results, click on it to open its details. This screen usually gives a short description of what the plugin does and what it needs access to. Once you've confirmed you've got the correct plugin, click Run. That launches the tool and prepares it to work with your project. At this point, you may be asked to verify your email. This is a standard step that helps the system confirm who you are and sometimes enables higher processing limits or delivery of your export. Follow the on-screen prompt to send a verification message to your inbox, then confirm through that message. If it doesn't arrive right away, give it a minute and check your spam or junk folder. Make sure you verify using the same address tied to your account so everything stays in sync. With verification complete, the plugin will prompt you to choose a video that you want to export. You'll typically see your available projects, timelines, or recent files. Select the video you want. If you're planning to create a GIF, shorter clips with simple motion and no audio often work best and produce smaller files. If you need sound, choose the video format instead of GIF. Keep in mind that longer or higher resolution videos will take more time to process, so it's a good idea to keep the window open and avoid refreshing the page while the export runs. That's all there is to it. By clicking the Actions icon, opening Plugins and Widgets, searching for Export to GIF/video, launching the plugin, verifying your email when prompted, and choosing the video you want to export, you'll have everything set up to generate a clean GIF or video output. Stay patient during